Strong run for James Hayes on that I-80. Before the merger back in the 80s. So here we go, Alan Powell. Let's see what the Burning Cash can do, fans. We've seen this guy in the winner's circle before with the back of the blue dress. Wow. 305.50. All right, Ford fans. 2009 back in the blue dress champion, Sean Knox. Launching hard, here he comes. Oh, too much gear. You got a pace out to run. 309 and change. This tractor right here can shake it up. Here comes Kenny Webb with Johnny Webb. Competition out of Scottsburg International. Come on, International. Give it up for your new leader, fans. 3:18:04. All right, John Deere fans, one more chance. Can the Hillbilly Rocket run like a rocket? Stand on it now. Hold that nuts winder. He's got a lift, John Deere fans. Wow. Oh, he pulled over into the middle of the track. That is great, folks. Let's see what the Dixie binder can do, friends. How about everyone from Hodgenville? Here's the hometown boy to cheer on, the Dixie Binder. Wow. 3:12.69. He goes number 2. Give him a round of applause. Ford fans, this guy's done it all before. Here comes Sean Knox. Slipping around. A good run, 3:02.90. 3:02.90. This guy's tough. Nick Ware coming to us out of Jasper, Indiana, driving the old granddad for the Singletons out of Owensboro. Here comes Nick. That international fantasy guy's on the run. Give it up for your new leader. Gorgeous here at Jacksonville. Losing a lot of speed. He's still digging, and Brandenburg Place shut him down. 295.70. 295. Anything less than 320, just the first man back. That's right. Blue lights are going. snuffs him out there. 3:05.35.